the ball game. Take me out to the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jack. I don't care if I ever get back, for it's root, root, root for the home team. If they don't win, it's a shame, for it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game.
You got a diamond.
A diamond.
You got 9 men.
9.
Got a hat.
Hat.
And a bat.
A bat.
And that's not all.
What are we missing?
You got the bleachers.
Bleachers.
Got 'em from spring
That's where
till
you
fall.
sit.
Got a dog and a drink and an umpire's call. What do you want? Let's play ball. Is that a fly ball? Or is it a seagull? Coming in from the lake just to catch the game. It's the last inning. Our guys are winning. Dave's put down a smoker, a strike, and you got no doubt. What do you want? Let's play ball. Okay.
Okay.
Blue Jays.
Blue Jays. Let's play. Yeah.
It's a beautiful evening,
Fans. At the ballpark.
the game starts. Warm summer breeze,
right.
sun's going
Stretching,
down.
getting ready.
It's all dark. The ballpark.
That's okay. It's a night game. All right, ready? Rock it with me. Okay. Okay. Blue Jays. Let's play ball. Okay. Blue Jays. Let's play ball.
Bring on a White Sox.
White Sox.
Bring on a Bo Sox.
Bo
Bring on
Sox.
the Brewers.